So I just got back. It's raining outside. It was pouring down raining. And my freaking windshield wiper flew off because the plastic clip broke. So I couldn't use my windshield wipers in the rain, and it was freaking sketchy. But the Cooper Cobras did really good in the rain. They held up. These tires are amazing. I had no slip, nothing, just straight grip. I'm talking going 75 in the rain on a straight road, hitting bumps and everything. I wanted to see if these tires will hold up, and they did well in the rain. So highly recommend the Cooper Cobras. I will never get another tire on this truck. This is it. These are lifers. Yo, what's up, guys? So we are doing the spark plugs and wires on the D21 today. And if you notice, you see all these boxes right here. Package here, package here, package here. So I had made a huge mistake over the weekend. I tried to order my spark plugs and wires on Amazon, and an error popped up when I was going to check out, so it wasn't working. It said something's wrong, something's wrong. So I went back to look at the order, seeing like, oh, did it go through? Nothing, no information. So I'm like, oh, it didn't go through. So I'm like, okay, let me order from Napa. So I get online and order from Napa. You see, these are from Napa. And order goes through, everything works out. So I'm at the house, doorbell rings, package, what the hell? Another package, another package. So I'm like, what the hell? So I go on Amazon, go to orders, and literally the next day it showed I ordered like 5 or 6 sets of spark plugs and wires. So I have to return all this stuff. But yeah, I ordered like 5 sets of the same spark plugs and wires. So we're gonna open these up and get them put on the truck. Let's go. So we got our V-Power NGKs, and to match, we got the NGK wire set. And this is what I recommend every time. I did do my spark plugs maybe like 4 or 5 months ago, something like that. But I realized when I get off the highway, I'm still getting a little slight misfire. So I'm thinking the wires are what I need to change, because I didn't change my wires yet. I have my wires on for about a good 3 years already. So I think it's due time. I just got the plugs just because I'm like, might as well change both, you know? Why am I gonna go and just change wires without changing plugs? Yeah. I should have done both at the same time last time, but I was giving the wires the benefit of the doubt, thinking like, oh, they can't be bad. They're NGKs, you know, no way they would go out. But it is what it is. So we're gonna throw this on the truck, and I'll show myself putting the wires on, but I'm not gonna do the plugs because I've already got multiple videos doing plugs. So we're gonna get the wires greased up and put them on. So guys, so something's wrong with my hood latch. This is another thing I forgot to mention. My hood latch doesn't stay all the way pulled back when I pull it. If I don't put like a screwdriver or something here, it won't open. And also, when I'm on the freeway, my hood bounces. It flexes up and down, so I gotta fix that. I'm trying to figure out what the hell's wrong with it. Don't exactly know for sure, but these components right here, something's wrong in here. I don't know. Yeah, so that's what I'm dealing with. All right, guys, so we're putting our new wires on. And as you can see right here, I'm chasing my new wire. And I got some of that red and tacky grease to put at the end of the boot so it won't seize up on the plug. It's heat resistant, so. But yeah, we're gonna be done here, and I'm gonna crank the truck, see what happens. I did, oh, my light died. These lights suck. They don't even last an hour. Anyway, I popped out the valve cover, checked out the timing chain. My guides are still good. My rocker arms and everything are still nice and tight. So whatever's tapping when I turn the truck on, it has to be either like the water pump or something like a cylinder. But I doubt it's a cylinder. This thing rides smooth. I'm not having any issues when I'm accelerating. So it has to be something minor, because my timing chain is nice and tight. The guides are not broken, which surprised the hell out of me. But yeah, or it could be the timing chain tensioner getting stuck in place or something. It's not loosen it up when it needs to. I don't know. But overall, what I saw just shows me my truck's still healthy, everything's still good. So yeah. All right, guys, so we got everything back together. We're gonna crank it up. Hopefully it sounds good. There's no knocking. Hopefully there's nothing leaking from the valve cover. But yeah, when you do your wires though, just put some grease on them, like I said, and gap your plugs. You always want to gap them to whatever spec. I think the NGKs for the hard body is like 4.5 or something, a little bit over 4.0. You want to gap it like that. It's not a big gap, it's very tiny. So yeah, but I'm gonna inspect the front end and see if I can hear any tapping or anything like that. All right guys, the truck is cold. The truck is cold, and tell me what you think this tapping sound is. You hear that? Tapping, I don't know where. There it goes. What do you guys think? Oh yeah. I think it's definitely a lifter, rocker arm. It's coming from like right over here. Yeah, I hear it. I guess you gotta replace the rocker arms or something, or the whole, whatever the hell that rod, exhaust rod or whatever. I think this is the exhaust side. This is the intake side. So it's coming from the intake side. Yo, what's up guys? So we just came back from getting groceries. I got a new wiper blade. I haven't put it on yet, as you can see, but it's right here. 9x3 J-Hook Michelin brand. But the truck is driving great with the new wires in, the new plugs. So I'm having some great feels. Everything feels really smooth right now. You know, low speed power is pretty good. I haven't got on the highway yet, but I would assume that it's better than it was before. So yeah, I still have a little lifter tick. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just see if I can get my lifters done. See if I can replace them myself or get them done. I don't know how much lifters cost, but it's something with a lifter, rocker arm, something. But I felt around the lifters and everything was really tight. So I don't know. Typically I know when you have a loose lifter and it taps like pretty bad, you'll be able to feel it when you're touching the lifter. Like you'll feel how loose it is. Mine are super tight, so I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't know if something's just loose or what. I don't know what's going on, so we shall see. This person's on their damn phone. Let me get around them. Look at that. Chilling, man. But yeah, guys, I'll keep you updated. And yeah, so I guess that's it for today. Until next time, you know, take care of your trucks. Oh, also, yeah, I gotta say this. You know, daily in this hard body, it's surpassed my expectations. I figured I would be doing something every week, but it's been like a few solid months without me doing not one thing. It's been solid. Been on the highway, 80 miles an hour on the highway, and it's just been a trooper. Driving in all kinds of weather, AC, everything. It's been fucking great, so I'm pretty pleased. But yeah, guys, so we'll see you when we see you. Have a good one.